Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10. The system administrator has set policies to prevent this installation. Type Edit Group Policy in Windows search bar, click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates under Computer Configuration. Change settings to not configured, click Apply, click OK. Click and expand Security Settings under Windows Settings. Check all users except local administrators. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.